Did you know Hindustan Unilever sends thousands of crores outside India every year? Hindustan Unilever, a brand in every Indian home. But where does the money go? HUL is a subsidiary of Unilever, a Anglo-Dutch multinational. A significant portion of its profits is sent outside India every year. The revenue of Hindustan Unilever, it reported a revenue of over 614 billion, and HUL's net profit crossed 10,000 crore in this fiscal year. A large chunk of this goes to Unilever as dividends. Here are all the brand beauty and personal care Dove, Axe, Rexona, Lifebuoy, Lux, Sunsilk, Tresemme, Vaseline, Pond's, Lakme, Pepsodent, Close-Up, Glow and Lovely, Hammam, Indulekha, L'Oreal, Citra, Clear, L18, Brill Cream, Clinic Plus, Love and Care, Pure Derm, Sunlight, Minimalist Food and Refreshment, Knorr, Lipton, Cornetto, Magnum, Hellmann's, Kisan, Quality Walls, Brook Bond, Three Roses, Red Label, Taza, Taj Mahal, Brew, Annapurna, Home Care, Sif, Comfort, Domex, Rin, Surf Excel, Vim, Wheel, Pureit Health and Wellbeing Horlicks, Cardia Plus, Growth Plus, Light, Protein Plus, Junior, Mothers, Women's, Professional Hair Care Tigi, Tony and Guy, Aviance, International Breeze. While HUL employs thousands of Indians and contributes to the economy, critics argue that foreign ownership limits India's economic growth. What do you think? Should India focus on supporting local businesses? Comment below. Down.